All right. So today we are going to learn one of the greatest songs off of one of the greatest rock albums of all time. And I know that that's a stretch when I say things so like absolute like that. But this is a great rock and roll band, and this is far and away anyone's favorite album that they came out with. I'll play you a little ditty. I don't do the song justice, but because the chord structure there isn't incredibly difficult, meaning it's the same three chords over and over, you can devote what you need to the vocals. And so that song comes across decent. You know, like right now, that was in key. I mean, yeah, you know, it wasn't great, but it was decent, and you can do it better than that. So let's start with the intro. The intro is really easy. You have to make one chord shape, and then you're just going to move it up and down. So you start with a pointer finger on the A string, 11th fret. You're going to simultaneously mute the D string with your pointer finger. And then your ring finger hits the 13th fret and on the G string, and you come up with this. Interestingly, I just realized this. Your pointer finger is muting the E string and the D string, and just allowing the A string. So that's what it should sound like. The next note is, or next chord progression, or chord structure, chord shape, is just slide your chord shape down 2 frets to 9 and 11, and then you slide it down 2 more frets to 7 and 9, and those are the chord shapes. Those are all of the intro's chord shapes. Now take your pinky and bring it in on the D string, 9th fret, and then you finish off that chord structure right there. So the intro sounds like. The verse and the chorus are going to be the same. So once you learn these 3 chords, that's it. You know the whole song. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our pinky on the A string, 4th fret. We're going to take our ring finger, D string, 4th fret. And then on the G string, 2nd fret is your pointer finger. And those are the notes you're playing. You're muting the top E string with your thumb, and it sounds like. second chord shape is an A. I think it's A sus2. Anyway, middle finger on the D string, 2nd fret. The pointer finger on the G string, 2nd fret, muting the top E string with your thumb. And then the last chord shape is an E. Now this rings out the whole song, chorus and verse. That's it. That's High and Dry by Radiohead from the Bends. What an amazing... If you don't know the Bends, then please pull it up and check it out. It's an amazing front to back album. It's one of the greatest albums of all time. It ranks up there with Siamese Dream, with Definitely Maybe, with Pearl Jam 10. I mean, with Blood Sugar Sex Magik, Red Hot Chili Peppers. We're talking some of the best of all time. And I don't, of course, don't mean greatest hits. I mean just the album they put out. It's one of the best of all time. Check it out. See you later. Have a nice weekend.